at Little Falls, 5.6. Seneca Creek at Dawsonville, 2.4. Monocacy River at Frederick, 4.2. The 10 a.m. observation in Baltimore. At BWI Airport, partly sunny skies. The temperature was 64 degrees. Dew point 46. Humidity was 52%. Winds were northwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 23, and the barometric pressure was 29.87 inches and rising. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. The report from the Inner Harbor was not available. At Annapolis, the temperature was 66. Winds northwest at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Martin State Airport, partly sunny. Temperature 64 degrees. West wind at 13, gusting to 23. At Washington National Airport, partly sunny. 66 degrees. Northwest wind at 17, gusting to 25. At Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, partly sunny skies. It was 73. Northwest wind at 7 miles an hour. At Salisbury, fair skies. It was 74. Wind west at 9 miles an hour. At Ocean City, fair skies. It was 72 degrees. Northwest wind at 6. At Dover, fair. 67 degrees. Winds west at 13. At Wilmington, fair skies. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. The 10 a.m. observation in Baltimore.